Today we are going to show you how to install the Key West railing system by ColorGuard. The Key West railing system comes fully boxed and includes top and bottom rails with aluminum inserts, balusters, installation hardware, and brackets. Deck boards and posts are sold separately. Kits are available in widths 6 to 10 feet and heights of 36 or 42 inches. Before you install the Key West railing system, you will need safety glasses, a pencil, tape measure, a drill with Phillips head and number 2 square drive bits, power miter saw, and a speed square. Pro tip: we recommend cutting several 2-inch spacers to assist with installation. Also, cut a 3-inch scrap piece of baluster. You'll see why in a minute. The Key West railing system is installed between 2 posts. If you plan on installing Patriot post mounts by ColorGuard, please watch our separate video for those instructions. Once your posts are in place, start by laying the bottom rail out. Working from the outside in, measure between the post sleeve and outside edge of the first hole and then on the other side. Make sure distance is equal on both sides. Once you find measurements, mark rail for cuts. Take your spare piece of baluster and insert it in the middle pre-rutted hole, then place the top rail on. This ensures both pieces will be cut to the same length and all the holes will match. Now, make your cuts using the miter saw. We recommend using a 10-inch 82 carbide blade. When making the second cut, pull the aluminum insert out about 1/4 of an inch. This will prevent you from making scratches on the post sleeve during the installation. To install, attach the support brace under the bottom rail. Place spacer blocks between the 2 posts. Slip end pieces over both ends of the bottom rail. Place the bottom rail on top of the spacers and attach using the included screws. Keep in mind that the screws go in on an angle, so you will need to position the brackets closer towards the edge of the post to compensate. When using the ColorGuard steel post bracket, it is best practice to put the screw in until you hit the filler, back it up a bit, and then go forward until it pierces the steel. This ensures proper attachment. Add your balusters, making sure the locking baluster is in the middle. To install the top rail, slide the balusters into the pre-rutted holes. Make sure they are installed all the way before moving the top piece of rail into place. Mount using the U-shaped brackets. Add the self-drilling rail screws with hinge caps. Then snap them to conceal the screws. Additional U-shaped straps are included and should be attached at 2-foot intervals beneath the deck board with the included hardware. Cut a piece of decking to length, then attach using undermount screws. Screws are not included. We recommend 3/4 to 1 inch screws depending on board width. Insert the screw covers. Then add the post caps and you're done. Thank you for watching. For more information on ColorGuard railing systems, including product information, options and accessories, installation instructions, and inspirational ideas, please visit us at colorguardrailing.com.